Hi, welcome to Cedur. Let's go ahead and help you set up your account. We'll walk you through setting up your account, all the way from filling in your company's details to onboarding your first employee with all the recommended settings. Now for the first step, put in your name, add any email account of your choice and your phone number, your designation at your company, and set up a password for this account. No rocket science, pretty standard stuff. As soon as you hit sign up, a one-time password will be shared to your registered email account. Fill in the one-time password to verify your email before moving further. Here, put in your organization's name and location along with other relevant details. Oops! The employee ID field is for us to know if any Cedur personnel or affiliate has helped you out. If no one has, just put in 0000 to proceed. For this example, let's go with the free plan, which you can later upgrade as per your needs. And voila! Your Cedur account has been created. Type in your login credentials to go to the dashboard. Now that you have made it to your new Cedur account, you will be greeted by this dashboard every time you log in. To check or amend any of your company's changeable details, you can go over to the profile page. Here, you will also find options to upgrade your current subscription and check prior payment detail. Going back to the dashboard, you will get an overview of your organization's HR and payroll-related data from a bird's eye view. Before getting to the core HR stuff, you will first have to set up your organization's leave and weekly holiday policies. Let's begin with setting up sick and casual leaves, a mainstay at most modern-day organizations, and a lot 12 each for all employees. You can add any number of other leaves and they will show up later when we mark attendance. Now let's move forward to set up our weekly leaves. Let's give the weekend off, like most sane people. And with leaves out of the way, we can begin onboarding our first employees onto the platform. For that, click on the Add Employee button on the top right corner of the screen and fill out the form. It contains basic details about the employee you intend to onboard. Don't forget to double-check the contact details. Don't rush this process. Remember, we are just demonstrating the software and its features right now. And there is no hurry. You can always pause and come back to this video later. Now we get into some core HR features. Here you can decide what tax regime does this employee follow. Let's go with the new tax regime for this employee. We can also decide which benefits can this employee get. Let's give her house rent, supplementary allowance, travel allowance, and sign her up for a ESI deduction as well. While we are at it, now comes the bit where we make a salary structure for our new employee. Click on the plus button to begin. Because we haven't yet edited the company admin's accounts, basic salary, gross salary, and cost to company will appear to be the same. You can change this by going into the people list for editing the company admin's employee profile. Now let's do the same with the new employee salary too. Just enter the basic salary and let Cedur do the rest. The salary structure is set in accordance with our recommendation, which you can edit as you please, now or at a later time. Now that the salary is done with, let's proceed with marking our first attendance. You can mark your employees present, absent, or give them half days attendance. If marked absent, a provision to allot paid leaves will show up in the drop-down on the right, denoting each employee's leave balance. But after exhausting these paid leaves, loss of pay will happen. And whatever changes you make will be visible on the dashboard. And with that comes the end of this tutorial. Do check us out at www.cedurnow.com. Subscribe for more. And I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye now.